He better come back here soon. I want to.
Caleb, come on. Go play another song. You can play.
Your brother's 7, right?
No, you can play.
Come on, you can play 29 fingers.
God, this might be hard. I will never play 29 fingers.
With 29 fingers.
That would take like 2 people. No. 3 people.
Oh, this is hard.
Do the math, Taylor. Alright,
2 people and 9
rock and roll.
fingers.
Yeah, blue. Look at blue. Make your hand blue. On the blue now. Don't be colorblind. Yeah, keep it blue. Keep it red. Keep it red and blue. Not that fast. You don't have to kill it, Caleb.
Calm down.
Look where it's at. Hit it when it comes up, you know? It's kind of offbeat. Blue, red, blue, red. Red, blue. Blue, red, red. Blue, red, red. Blue, red, blue. Red, 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 blue. Are you colorblind?
Is he on easy?
Red, blue. Red, red, blue, red, red. Blue, blue, red, red.
Red, red, blue, red, red, blue, red.
Go, blue, hit him! Do it! Kill him! Go! Make sure you hit around the blue. Look where you're hitting. You're not even on the drum. You're like on the side, on the outside, maybe a little bit on the top. Try to hit in the middle.
He's failing.
Red, 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 red.
Don't kill it.
You did awesome, little dude.
Yay! I did 49.
So low.
49. What was his note sheet?
Probably like -5.
I don't think that's
I can't
possible.
believe I got a -4. I almost died when I did that song.
You almost killed your eyes when you did that.